Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Today, I'm going to share with you an easy and effective remedy for dark underarms. Do you have dark or rough underarms? Then stay with me because we will prepare a brightening solution for underarms which removes all the darkness and makes them soft and smooth. To prepare this mask, take a clean bowl and add 2 tablespoons of rice powder to it. Next, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of homemade yogurt. You can also use Greek yogurt if you prefer not to use homemade yogurt. Lastly, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of plain flour to the bowl. Mix all the ingredients together, and soon you'll have a nice, thick, and smooth paste. As you can see, it should be this consistency. To use this paste, first make sure to clean your underarms properly. Then, apply this mask all over the underarm area. You can also use this paste for other parts of your body that are darker and rough, like your elbows. Rice flour has great exfoliating, brightening, and softening properties. It also helps improve underarm skin texture and evens out the skin's tone. Yogurt is a good remedy for underarm skin darkening. The vitamins and fatty acids found in yogurt are good for the skin as they minimize the dark patterns and skin damage. Wheat flour has many vitamins and nutrients as well. It works wonders when it comes to skin brightening and lightening dark spots. After applying this mask on your underarms, leave it on the skin for the next 25 minutes. After your 25 minutes are up, wipe it off using a wet towel. Then, apply aloe vera gel. It has antibacterial properties that will help moisturize, soothe, and brighten the skin further. Use this solution for up to 7 days and you'll see remarkable results. Flawless and bright armpits can be achieved by using this really easy and effective natural rice mask. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.